Hello techies. Before we start the video, let's know about Upptalk. Upptalk is a live, interactive platform for software training, furnishing robust personalities who could take on universal business platforms. So, let's know about Workday time tracking briefly. Workday time tracking is a user-driven, global time and attendance system. Workday Human Resource Management combines with Workday time tracking to deliver real-time employee monitoring and planning for overall leadership performance. To provide a comprehensive end-to-end consumer experience on the web, mobile devices, and traditional time clocks for global businesses. The topics we will cover in this video are patterns works, workers multiple period schedule, create time entry code. To know more about the latest and trending technologies, watch other videos on the Upptalk channel. Please do like, share, and subscribe to the channel to know more about new technologies. This video will be covered by Mr. Sachin. Now, let's not wait further and get started.
Yeah, leave it for 3 days only.
3 days only?
Yeah, it's okay. Okay. Now, my question is now with you. Click OK. How this pattern will work now?
So, the employees, 1 week, they have to log in from 9 to 5:30, they have to work. The next week, the employees, some other groups will work for 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. So, some shifted workers, like when they are working as remote or from offshore, they need to work from 1 to 8 a.m. So, different groups will work different patterns.
3 weeks, what will happen? Alright. So management level above management level above manager, like all of the workers who are there in the system above manager, the pattern would be like 9 to 5, 10 to 4, and 1 to 8. Correct?
No, sometimes offshore. Offshore, they need to work like in the night hours, right? Night shifts.
Offshore, onshore, there is nothing. How you define? Like it is their offshore hours. Nah. Regularly,
so now, if you take this scenario, I need to give all the same time, all three, this pattern. They work with this pattern.
Not. How if this work schedule is there, how it would work is 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. week 1, 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. week 2, and 1 a.m. to 8 a.m. week 3. This is the pattern that you have. Yeah, week 3. What will happen on week 4?
So, I have no idea, to be honest.
Again 9 a.m. to 5:30.
I'm thinking like, see, I'm thinking like, that's what I'm thinking right now. One pattern will work for only management level, management level.
No. Absolutely wrong. One pattern,
So
the pattern.
how many patterns will they work?
Don't think about real time. Forget real time. Don't think about real time. This requirements would be given by the customer. So don't think about real time. Think about the configuration standpoint. Don't think about real time. Did you work on any technology before, apart from Workday?
Yeah.
That is the reason that is the reason you are. Yeah, that is the reason you are thinking from a different standpoint. Don't think that. Whenever you don't mix anything. Okay. You get a requirement.
So should I change the last pattern?
Let it be. So what will happen? Now understand the concept. The way you have designed the configuration in Workday, any worker above management level, whatever is given, the worker's first week will start from 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. The second will start from 10 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. And the third week will start from 1 p.m. to 1 a.m. to 8 a.m. Correct? You can see this?
Yes.
Alright. After week 4, what will happen? Again, the worker's time would start from 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. This is kind of a rotational shift. You got it?
every 3 days, you mean?
Rotational week rotational week
4
shift.
weeks. Yeah, from fourth week onwards, he again start from 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m.
Exactly.
Okay.
Alright, this is
Oh, just
rotational.
you show me how it works in real time. Okay. Got it. The
This is
rotation. But
yeah.
but my question is like usually there will be only one pattern per
Depends.
like if you
Customer
take any level
to
or
customer.
employees.
Depends on the customer to customer requirement. You get all the
Okay.
requirement documents on the first day. You get a hell lot of the documents, a requirement gathering document. We say that workbook. Everything is mentioned over
Okay.
there.
Okay. Okay.
In such scenarios, there is a Workday deliver report, which is audit multiple period schedule. You can execute this report in order to get that. Okay, this report takes time to load. If this report is
Mm-hmm.
empty, if this report is empty, then your
Mm-hmm.
configurations are correct.
Okay.
If it is not, then the worker listed in this report will not be able to enter the time.
Yeah, because he has multiple
Yeah.
schedules or
Audit multiple work
schedule.
schedules.
So this will bring multiple schedules.
Yeah. You see, this worker, Alvin one has semi-monthly
Yeah.
as well as this. Worker eligibility is also there. So how to change it? You need to modify the worker eligibility.
Yeah.
These 253 workers will not be able to enter the time. Similarly, there is you see two work schedule
Yeah.
calendar. They will not be able to enter the time. So you saw the previous worker is not coming up. You saw a decrement. Hello?
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Yeah. So this is the way you do it. Now if you see over here, he is coming in two of this period schedule. What to do now?
Mm-hmm.
Go to the eligibility. First go to the period schedule.
Okay. Then we need to confirm with the client also, right? Which type of period schedule is he belongs to.
Correct, correct. Now see the difference.
Yeah.
These 38 workers will not be able to enter the time. This is the one way, this is the ideal way to search, okay? But in case there is only one worker, how you would have identify? You can run this report, or if you know the worker name, you will have to type this task view worker time.
Eligible.
Type the worker list, for example.
Mhm.
I have typed Betty Liu. So if she has multiple works schedule, multiple time entry template, it will automatically shown over here. Two time entry template, two time
Uh-huh.
creation. This is the perfect example how you can identify what the worker has. She has one work schedule calendar, one time entry template, one period schedule. Okay. This
Period
there
schedule.
shouldn't be multiple. Only one instance should be there.
Okay.
That is the concept of this auditing. Okay.
Mhm.
Alright. Time for the next part. Let's enter time. The moment we enter time, we see this time entry card. Correct?
Yeah.
Alright. Now let's enter time for Monday. You see, when we click on Monday, a block got generated and we saw time type in and out something. Okay. What is
Mhm.
time type? What do you think about time type?
Yeah. Project time or different
Regular
time,
time,
different types of categories, right? Regular time, shift.
yeah, correct. So what she did, she entered the time under the category of project time. Okay, which means
Mhm.
she had stored her hours under the bucket of project time. Correct?
Yeah. And
Okay.
here the question is why it is also showing non-project hours.
Don't look into that. We will don't look
Okay.
into right. It, it is a bad configuration somebody has done. Again, 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. I enter the time. I am entering the time
It should be
corresponding to pardon.
See, it shouldn't overlap, right? If we are entering two types of shifts, like in and out, on Monday or Tuesday, 2 times, it should not overlap.
It is not overlapping.
No, I am asking. Usually, what happens if they overlap? Like,
It generally if they overlap, then error message will come.
yeah.
Okay. So what is doing Monday? You entered some hours. Tuesday you entered some hours. Wednesday you are entering some hours.
Mm-hmm.
You saw you added in time out time. Now in administration you are just putting some hours. Okay.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
And you see some of the values are getting changed. Okay. What are these?
Yeah.
Time administration. What are these?
These are categories.
Data categories. Okay, that is good. But in Workday terminology, we call them time entry codes. So
So you give names for time entry codes.
these are time entry codes. Which kind of entry code you are using? Okay. So today we are going to
Okay.
create a time entry code. The task is time entry.
Create that.
First, name the time entry code. All right. What is the unit you want to have? The common units are
Hours,
days, hours.
days.
We are going on hours. Okay. What is the entry method? Hours only or in and out? Hours only means directly entering hours, which generally a regular salaried employee does. How many hours he has put into work. Okay. But what about contractors or any worker who is like a clock in, clock out worker? They put the in time and out time. Correct?
Yeah.
All right. So how you design this in the system? You design this in the system by the entry method. All right. Let's make it in and out. What is the display name you want to give?
For shift workers, you can use in and out, or contractors, and for regular workers, you will use hours.
No, this is not necessary. For example, if you are a manufacturing worker, you are not a contractor. You clock in, clock out.
Yeah. Yes.
If you are an office employee, you work daily. You are a software engineer. You don't put clock in, clock out because you directly put hours.
Yeah.
Okay. If you click restrict future time entry, which means in futures, like for today is 13th of August, and if you are entering time for 19th of August, it will not allow you. Okay, this is restriction.
So this sort priority is for when you click on the time entry, it will display the sorting way.
Correct. Under this section, time entry code, what is the sorting level? Okay.
Okay. So usually if we enter more than 8 hours, will it take in and out? Or
Yes,
default it will take 8 hours?
definitely it will take.
Can we restrict that with any condition, rule or anything?
Those are later part.
Okay.
Now understand what we have done. The time entry code name is test project time. Worker will see project time training. Okay.
Mhm.
कितना हो गया?
What is restrict future time entry?
I told you that if you want to enter the
Like
time,
you for next week or some other time, so it will restrict it. Okay. So for rounding option, usually what we select the most depends upon the client also.
on the client.
Okay.
Then group. Which group it should be assigned? Which are the folks who are going to use this? So time code group is like that, which is basically a eligibility
Okay.
rule. Alright. Click OK. Now what you will see, and the time entry code, you will see this project time training. Did you see this?
Yeah.
What we have created? What is the name of this project time training? Test project time. Worker is seeing project time training. Correct?
Display name. Yeah.
Yeah. So this is the basic way of entering the time. Okay. I have created
Okay.
in and out. Okay. You create hours only. All right. What is your
Okay.
task for the day?
So this is hourly, right?
Yeah, this is hourly.
What is increment for hours entry?
Like if you want to add zero 0.5, zero 0.1, like 4, 2.1, 2.2, that is the increment.
Okay.
Or 2.25, like 4.25
Oh,
hours.
you have to display decimals that you can choose here.
Yeah,
Okay.
in the terms of decimal. Generally, we keep it 0.25.
0.25. Why?
Yeah. Why like 4.25 hours, 4.5 hours? That is the reason. Type regular. Just type regular, it will come. Go to the next tab. You have created a code, but who is going to use that code? You have not given a time into code group. Go to the group, add project time code. Just add project time code. Type it project time code. Correct. Click OK. Now go to Betty Liu. Enter time.
Slowly, please.
Did you see?
No, it's very slow.
Okay.
Time entry codes, hourly time entry. Yeah. So it reflected on non-project hours.
Hmm. This is the entry code. Like each and every employee, like me also, we enter the time per week like this. We select the entry code,
Yeah.
we enter the time, and we submit the time, and it goes for the approval. This is the
Okay.
process that we follow. Okay. Behind the scenes, we are doing the behind the scenes configurations.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Now, how to submit? Go to the review.
Go to
Review,
the,
view, bottom right, bottom right. Click that,
yeah.
submit it.
It will trigger the enter time BP, right?
Right.
Be submitted to Logan McNeil.
Correct. The manager is Logan McNeil, so it went to the Logan McNeil.
Yeah.
Nice, nice attempt, nice start. Okay, so now since you have done this stuff,
One question, like it is related to HCM. So when we create business process, we create at supervisory organization level. So when we have 10 supervisory organizations, like we will create 10 types of hiring. If we take example hire,
depends on the
or
customer, depend
create
on
different
the.
for different countries.
So you will have rule-based supervisory organization if you want to have different conditions. You can have one business process, you can make it, but if you want to have company-wise separate, then rule-based business process.
Company or country?
If the country-wise is there, you can have conditions in the single business process. But if you want to make separate business process as per the customer need, then you will have to create rule-based business process.
Based for different supervisory organizations.
Depends. The rule-based means you are creating a rule for that the business process to trigger. Whether it is a company, supervisory, location, a pay group, it doesn't matter.